Shongdor Snem jong Nongsan Hima.
Uba DP Waklang Chief Secretary Kejala haba ajingkran kejing elekai football bala penlong Mynta Sngi da Chief Electoral Officer Kejala u Dr. BDR Tiwari nak benta ban kentu yaki samla nong tap vote ha Kejala makin dan kejingkit kli ban yami haka khat khandai tarik ban lek tap vote nak benta ka election MP Lok Sabha ulaong ba u DGP u Dr. LR Bishnoi IPS Hynnin kamiat ulayo ban Kurup ya u Drok u ba Shongdor Klur shiteng balamut ban shalan hagani kejela haga ba ulaong bahapo jong une Snem layok ban Kurup hadu laipau handriu Klur u Drok hapo kejela.
Our DGP Mr. Bishnoi last night seized about 1.5 crores worth of drugs which was meant to supply here and there. We don't know what for, but again it's very similar. In fact, this year the seizures has exceeded 36 crores from the time that we started till yesterday. 36 crores is a very high figure and it's a new record, and I'm sure that the police will be doing great work to ensure that there is no inducement by any party for ensuring free and fair elections. These few words, I thank all of you, and I wish both the teams, the election machinery as well as Shillong Press Club, to play a free, fair game and